All right, y'all, so on the menu today will be chicken spaghetti. So easy and simple. Everybody should love it. And you can use turkey meat as well. I'm going to start off with some onions. I'm just going to go on ahead and saute those down. And then I'm going to go ahead and put some garlic in there as well. Those look right, so we're going to go ahead and drop that garlic in there and go ahead and get that cooked down a little bit, you know, flavor up that oil and that butter. We're going to go ahead and put this chicken in here, and you can also use a rotisserie chicken as well. Go ahead and get that seasoned on up with whatever kind of seasoning that you prefer. So go ahead and season that up, and we're going to go ahead and get that to cooking too. Now we're just going to go ahead and put that rotel. You can use a bowl, you can use a measuring cup, it's up to you. And the cream of chicken soup and some chicken broth. Just go ahead and stir that up. Now use as much broth as you need, because you might not want it thick. You might want it thin. You might want it, you know, medium thin, medium thick, whatever. You know what I'm saying? Just use as much as you need and go ahead and pour it in with that chicken, onion, and garlic. Go ahead and put a little bit of cheese up in there, because we're going to also top it with some cheese as well. And just stir that in so that can go ahead and get to melting. Now make for sure you put as much cheese as you like in your chicken spaghetti. Go ahead and put it in a greased dish. I'm going to put the pasta in first, and then I'm going to work that sauce in between that pasta. Now, y'all see how easy this is? Go on ahead down there and give me a good old subscription. Y'all know y'all don't want to miss none of these videos, okay? And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. You know YouTube loves that. And I'm gonna, after I get through with this right here, getting it fitted in this pan, I'm gonna go ahead and drop it in that oven at 350, because y'all already know it's done. We just want everything to melt together. Y'all see that cheese? That's some of that extra sharp. So put as much as you want on your chicken spaghetti. Let's go ahead and drop it in the oven, y'all, because we about ready over here. Everybody hungry. And here it is, y'all, done and ready to serve. You can pair it with whatever you like. We used some dinner rolls. Dinner is ready. I know they happy. So comment down below if you are going to make this and if you like chicken spaghetti. All right, so here it is. What y'all think? Go on ahead and enjoy your chicken spaghetti. All right, y'all. Bye.